My name is Yael Saranga. I am a printmaking artist living in Mazkeret Batya, Israel. I would like to present my work Property, for which I won first prize at the 2022 AIDA International Print Contest. My print Property is dedicated to Ichiyō Higuchi, a Japanese writer born 150 years ago in 1872. Like a shooting star, Ichiyō shone brightly for a moment. She passed away at the age of 24. Ichiyō Higuchi was Japan's first professional female writer of modern literature, specializing in short stories, poetry, and diaries. She is considered as one of the most influential writers of the Meiji era. Ichiyō was born in the Meiji period when Japan was moving ahead at an incredible pace while women were forced to take a step back and considered the property of their husbands. This is the world of her literary characters. My print Property is based on images of the traditional Japanese kokeshi dolls. The drawing was transferred to the lino plate for the carving and reduction printing process. I cut out the figures from the lino background to better control the separation between warm and cold colors. In my print, I emphasize the dolls as objects played by stiff and harsh society rules, deprived from their individual rights. The man is holding the woman as his property. His face has no expression as to say this is the normal way. Butterflies arising from the woman's head represent her craving for freedom, respect, and equality rather than being a possession. The flowers turn into dark blue as her blue mood, surrounding the man's head, full of self-importance, therefore depicting the sad fate of Meiji women as expressed in Higuchi's writing. This is a wonderful tribute to the memory of literary figures on the occasion of their respective birth anniversaries. I would like to thank AIDA Board of Directors and the jury for awarding my print Property with the first prize. It is a great honor for me. I hope my print truly reflects Ichiyō Higuchi's social concerns and that she would have also supported this award. Arigato.